There are many beautiful creatures that live in the Manu rainforest. The squirrel monkey, the capuchin monkey, danger of extinction, the giant otter. These unusual animals all and the otter are animals that live
on exotic plants like orchids and bromeliads. And they are also full of animals, some familiar, some strange. For this region is a land bridge between two plants originating in both North and South America.
The rainforest, in equatorial rainforest, there is a season of reduced precipitation. There is no annual rhythm to the forest. Rather, each species has evolved its own flowering and fruiting seasons. There are a great number of species of birds, reptiles, amphibians, and insects. A number of species of primates thrive in the rainforests of Africa and South America, such as the large apes of Africa.
Animals use rainforest plants for shelter. Macaws live at the very tops of the trees. Other animals, like lemurs and tamarins, live in the middle of the rainforest, where there are plenty of branches to swing on and plenty of leaves to eat. Insects, and they eat plants and dead leaves.